Since 2014, the experienced team at Kingjoy Forge has been actively engaged in the outdoor metal industry, enhancing its standards over 11 years. Kingjoy Forge has continuously expanded our production capabilities by investing in larger workshops and state-of-the-art equipment aimed at elevating both our output and the quality of our products. We have emerged as a reputable designer and manufacturer, blending cutting-edge technology with extensive experience. We've crafted 20 collections comprising over 1,500 models, always staying at the forefront of global trends, including fire pits, chimneys, fire pit tables, log racks, fire pit accessories, BB2 grills, and aluminum patio furniture. Our goal is to endow our customers with a distinct competitive edge in the market, thus maximizing their business opportunities. Our factory of products have passed audits and tests to ensure achieve human rights, labor, and food safety standards. Our business partnerships built over 50 global enterprises annually, with exports reaching over 35 countries across Europe, America, Oceania, and Asia. Furthermore, we are committed to fulfilling small quantity orders, meeting the needs of retailers and new customers seeking trial orders. Kingjoy Forge strives to offer top quality, competitive pricing, and prompt service to all our valued customers. We sincerely hope that our products meet and exceed the expectations of our customers and consumers, fostering a sense of satisfaction and worth. We warmly invite you to contact us and visit our factory, eagerly anticipating collaboration opportunities in the near future.